day one of our multi-city, multi-country tour. Currently we are in San Francisco waiting for our next flight. We have a long layover to stay overnight at a friend's, but we are acting out. We're about to have a good old-fashioned cheeseburger fries situation. Always with sauteed onions and always with a half and half little drink. Anyhow, we're gonna eat, get ready to leave, and then head on out to Tokyo. Get on the subway and get to the temple, which I'm excited about. So let's see if we can figure this out.
This is my job. Just recording.
Okay, so that was overwhelming. I'm not gonna lie. Crowds, not having a full plan, all that kind of stuff is a little overwhelming, but we found a shop to rent a kimono, as you might have seen, and now we're in 7-Eleven. So I'm gonna find some ramen, keep this party going. Okay, that was actually pretty perfect. It hit the spot. I wanted something kind of soupy, brothy, and filling, and I feel really, really good. Now I am just looking for Mr. Opinion so that we can continue our evening. He went to get something else because he's not really one to be able to eat ramen. I will eat anything, so let's find this man and see what else we get into here in Tokyo. I'm back, back in the hotel room. If today seemed like it was all over the place, it is because it was all over the place for me. I am currently on my cycle, so I'm feeling a little crazy. Also traveling from New Jersey to San Francisco, then to Tokyo. I think I went to bed at about 2. We got up about 8, worked out, and then we started to do our thing for today. I'm trying to really just not make any plans this trip. He's done a phenomenal job making sure that everything is taken care of. He's been here before. I just don't know that I'm doing very well relinquishing all control. So I had to have a moment off camera where I had a mochi that was matcha flavored, which was so good. I'm sure I'm going to insert some of the clips from that shop there that I went to. And then I also had just a regular black tea, which was perfect because I just needed something to like warm me and settle me. I was a little anxious going on the trains, not knowing where we're going, and then being in the crowds in this tourist area. It just wasn't the most zen for me. But all in all, it was really fun. I went to this kimono rental shop. Really, really lovely. Again, not a lot of instructions. It could be the language barrier. It could be completely my fault just because I don't know what I'm doing or where I'm going. I have no plan. But once I was in it, I had a really lovely time walking to the nearby temple, took a lot of pictures. Mr. Pinion proved to be a very good Instagram husband today. And we did a little bit of just enjoying the space and enjoying our time together. And then I had ramen at the local ramen shop. I will put the name and the details in the video and in the description box, obviously. And then he had sushi somewhere else just because he's not very big on the salt and he doesn't eat red meat. I, on the other hand, enjoyed it. It was really perfect for me. I wanted something brothy and warm. The beef was great. The egg was great. And I like being able to like mark every little detail, which you were able to do. I was able to say what I wanted in terms of the firmness of the noodle, how much garlic I wanted, how much spice I wanted. And so I tried to take a little bit of footage and feel it at the same time. I'm not sure if you saw what I was doing there, but that is going to be included in this video. Anyway, I'm going to go to the bathhouse, change into the complimentary pajamas, get an early night's sleep, try to like get myself on Japan time and enjoy this bathhouse. I'm sure that they probably won't let me take my camera in. So if I do not jump back on, I will see you in the morning for day 2 in Japan.